Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 11th constructions exercise 11.1 question number 2. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Now this question we will do in 3 parts. First of all, we will construct a triangle similar to the given triangle. That is, we will do the construction part. Then we have to justify the construction also. That is, we have to do justification. And last, we will write the steps of constructions. So let us start with the first part where we will construct the triangle and another triangle similar to it. So first of all, it is given that construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. So let us start. So we will first draw one side. Let us take 4 cm. So we will draw 4 cm first. And now we have to construct 5 cm side. So we will take our compass. We will see 5 cm or open it 5 cm. Draw an arc from this side. So this is 5 cm and then 6 cm. So this is 6 cm from here like this. Now let us join this point with this and here. So we have triangle A, B, C. So construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. And then a triangle similar to it. Now we have to construct another triangle which is similar to this triangle and whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle, that is this triangle ABC. Now the method is, first of all, you have to draw an acute angle at BC, that is like this. So I have drawn acute angle CBX. It should be, X should be opposite to A. This is BC. So on one side we have A, on another side we have X. Now what we have to do, see, the ratio is given to be 2 by 3. So we have to keep few points in mind. The first point is this, the greater of the two numbers. Here the greater of the two number is 3. So keeping this 3 in mind, you have to draw 3 arcs at B at equal distance. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So what you have to do, you have to see the ratio, see the greater of the two numbers. Here the greater one is 3. Therefore, we have drawn 3 arcs at equal distance. And this is first B1, B2, B3. Now the second step is you have to see the denominator. Here the denominator is again 3. So out of these 3 arcs, you have to take the third arc, right? Third point, since the denominator is 3, so we will take the third point and we will join it with the vertex C, like this, right? And the third thing that you have to keep in mind is now you have to see the numerator. Now here the numerator is 2. That means you have to take the second arc. Again, see this, when you are making arcs, you have to see the greater of two numbers. You have to, if the greater number is 3, therefore 3 arcs are drawn. Secondly, you have to see the denominator. Denominator is 3, so therefore third arc is joined with the vertex C. And then you have to see the numerator, which is 2. So from the second point, what you have to do, you have to draw a line parallel to this line. Now, we will use the concept that two lines are parallel if the corresponding angles are equal. So, what we have to do here, we will make this angle equal to this angle. Write this. This is the way to draw equal angles. So equal angles, so like this. This is the method. First of all, two equal arcs are drawn and then you have to see or measure these arcs. So this is like here. So from this point, so we will join this to make the line through B2 parallel to B3C. Like this. See, these two lines are parallel and these two are corresponding angles. So when corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So let me call this point as C dash. Right? Now similarly, what we have to do, through C dash, we have to draw a line parallel to CA. So same technique, same way, we have to again draw the corresponding angles equal. So we will start from here like this. From this point, this, we are making equal angles. So this, you can take this point as A dash. So A dash, C dash is parallel to AC and this is our required triangle A dash, B, C dash. So this is the required triangle which is similar to given triangle ABC, and so this triangle is the required triangle. So we will write this triangle A dash, B, C dash is required triangle. Now we will do the justification. So first of all, see, in triangle BCB3, this is parallel to this. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem here. So we will write in triangle BB3C by basic proportionality theorem. We have BB2 over BB3 is BC dash over BC. Right? But if you will see BB2, 2 parts and BB3, 3 parts. So this ratio is 2:3. So 2:3 is equal to BC dash over BC. Right? Now see this triangle A dash, B, C dash and ABC. These two triangles are similar. As angle B is common and these two angles are equal, we have drawn them to be equal. So they are similar by AA similarity. So we will write triangle A dash, BC dash is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Now when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. See, let us write their corresponding side. So A dash B over AB, BC dash over BC and A dash C dash over AC. But here you can see this ratio is 2/3. So and all the three ratios are equal. So all of them are equal to 2/3. Now let's see the question once again. Construct a triangle, then a triangle similar to it, whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So the triangle is similar to the given triangle and its sides are 2/3 of the sides of the given triangle. Let us now write the steps of construction. So our first step will be to draw triangle ABC. So first draw triangle ABC. Second step will be draw any ray BX, any ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to the vertex A. The third point will be locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on Bx so that BB1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3. Fourth point, join B3C and draw a line through B2 parallel to B3C to intersect BC at C dash. Draw a line through C dash parallel to the line CA to intersect BA at A dash. Then triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle.